Hello everyone, and welcome to your yoga practice, which is designed to help you ease into the body and melt away any daily stress. So let's begin by meeting in seated on our mats with one hand on the belly, one hand on the chest, closing the eyes and finding a deep breath in through the nose and a full releasing breath back out. Another deep breath in and a slow exhale. Maybe releasing the hands back to your knees, keeping the eyes closed, and just let yourself arrive fully in this moment. Leaving your day behind. Knowing that you have nowhere that you need to be. You have nothing left to do. And you are here to let go of whatever you need to let go of. Deepen your breath. And then maybe take the chin down towards the chest. And we might start to find some little slow half neck circles here, just rocking one ear to one shoulder and then coming across to the other side. And the eyes can remain closed, or we can open them gently here. Rolling the head slowly side to side, just releasing any tension, any tightness away from the neck, away from the upper back. And then eventually coming to center and finding a few rolls through the shoulders, just bringing them up to the ears, back and down. Good, and then maybe starting to take some big circles with the upper body. So keeping the sit bones grounded, maybe inhaling as we come forwards, exhaling as we round the spine and come back. Trying to bring as much movement here into the spine as we possibly can. Remembering at some point to switch the direction and take a few the other way. Just letting this movement feel slow and organic. And then eventually coming back in to center. From here, we'll release that left out long and take the right hand onto the floor, reach the left arm up and over, lengthening out through the left hand side of your body. Breathe slowly and deeply here. With every inhale, welcoming ease, and exhale to let go of any tension. Good, coming back into center and then turning over that right shoulder. Just finding this gentle twist. Deep breath in and a full breath out. And then coming back into center, allowing the left leg to come in front of your right and then folding forwards over those legs. Deep stretch for the hips and the thighs. Just relaxing into this position, letting gravity do the work so that you don't have to. Slow, deep breaths. And then releasing back through center. This time taking the right leg out long, the left hand onto the mat, and we reach the right arm up and over. Opening up and expanding through the right hand side of the body. Slow breaths. And then gently releasing up into center. And this time we'll find the twist towards the left. Beginning to send the gaze over that back shoulder. The spine stays long. Shoulders relax. And then come back into center. This time that right leg comes in front of the left, fingertips to the floor, and slowly crawl the body forwards. Keep the sit bones grounded, knees open, and just allow your body to melt into this shape. Find a slowness, find an ease within the breath. And then gently release and come back into seated. From here, we're going to make our way slowly down onto our back. And when we get there, the hands come behind the head. Let those elbows open up wide, soles of the feet together, and knees open wide. Feel free to gently close your eyes here. Give yourself the permission to stop. Let your body know that it is safe to slow down in this moment. Take a deep breath in and a full breath out. And then we can choose to stay here, or maybe we start to curl ourselves up into a tiny ball here, reaching for the feet, bringing the forehead towards the knees, and then releasing the hips back to the floor. Just making some circles with your hips, keeping the knees as close together as feels good. Maybe switching the direction at some point. And just gently massaging out the lower back on your mat. And eventually we'll bring ourselves back into stillness, and we might take some variation of a happy baby. Maybe hands are on the back of the thighs, maybe they're reaching towards the feet or ankles. But we open the knees and we draw the knees down towards our armpits. Breathe into wherever you are feeling this the most. With every exhale, letting go. Take a final breath here. And then allow the legs to come down. Release yourself out of your happy baby. And we might take the feet as wide as the mat. Let the knees drop into the center to touch. One hand on the belly, one hand on the chest. And close the eyes. And if this position is not comfortable for you, feel free to find any other position that is comfortable. But gently bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the weight of your body on the mat. Feel your muscles soften. And allow your breath to guide you home to this moment. Releasing the need to control every breath, every sensation. Welcoming an ease, a softness. Knowing that in this moment there is nothing to fix or change. Just allow yourself to be. Let your whole body rest. And begin to visualize any stress from your day melting like sand through your fingertips. Take a few slow, grounding breaths. And if we feel like we want to stay here a little longer, maybe we pause this video and stay. If not, maybe we begin to find some nice gentle movement before gently bringing ourselves up and into seated. And thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you leave this practice better than you started it. But whatever you're doing, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.